Now, in 2021, a court in South Korea ordered Netflix to compensate SK Broadband for costs associated with the large volume of internet traffic eaten up by the streaming giant's service. With nothing paid to SK Broadband yet, South Korean lawmakers are taking the issue into their own hands, proposing a bill to make Netflix stump up the cash. Kim Do-yeon with this report.
A draft of a bill for imposing network usage fees on foreign content providers may be picking up speed, as the National Assembly Science, ICT, Broadcasting and Communications Committee is set to hold a public hearing on the issue next Tuesday. This will be the first hearing on the topic, despite 7 different lawmakers from both sides of the aisle already having made proposals to hold foreign content providers, such as Netflix and Google, responsible for massive network load. Industry scholars and insiders are expected to be in attendance, and while efforts are being made, it isn't confirmed whether or not the 2 companies that started this discussion will be there, SK Broadband and Netflix. The issue of a network usage fee received global attention in 2019, as SK Broadband asked a court to hold Netflix responsible for the amount of traffic caused by the company, which resulted in increased infrastructure costs for SK. In 2020, Netflix accounted for nearly 5% of all internet traffic in South Korea, more than the top 3 Korean content providers, Naver, Kakao, and Wave combined. And they are responsible as local companies to pay a certain amount to internet providers. In June 2021, the court ruled that Netflix must discuss the issue of compensation for SK Broadband. However, the court were unable to set the specific amount to be paid. Because no practical advancements were made after the ruling, lawmakers took it into their own hands to resolve the situation by passing a law. Netflix has been claiming that this goes against the global idea of net neutrality and that it has its own infrastructure to better accommodate users in terms of delivering content. In fact, if such law to hold content providers responsible for helping in providing internet to consumers actually passes, it would be a world first, setting precedent for other countries. And the complaint is not limited to just South Korea. ISPs in Europe have also been calling for such a law. Kim Do-yeon, Arirang News.